Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. To this recipe, I am sharing with you how to make a delicious cabbage stew. I will be using chicken. You can use any meat of your choice. Here I have the seasonings I'll be using. Use any season of your choice as well. In a pot, I'll add the chicken. I'll season with onions, garlic and ginger paste, smoked paprika, black pepper, season powder, salt, thyme, curry powder. Mix to combine everything together. I'll be leaving the chicken to marinate for some time before cooking it. The chicken is nicely marinated. I'll add in a little bit of water. Cover and leave it to cook on a medium heat. Here is the cabbage I'll be using. The cabbage is nicely clean. I'll slice the cabbage. Next, I'll transfer the cabbage inside a large bowl. I'll squeeze in 1 lemon. The lemon is going to help cut down the strong smell of cabbage. You can use lime or vinegar as well. Add some water. Leave it to sit inside the water for some time. Strain it out and rinse it very well before using it. I'll be using tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. I have everything nicely clean inside the blender. I will blend it roughly. Next, the chicken is been cooking now for some time. I'll give it a stir and check if the chicken is ready. Once the chicken is ready, I'll separate the chicken from the stock. In a pot, I'll add some oil. Allow the oil to heat up. I will flavor the oil with garlic and onions. Add the chicken and fry it until they are nicely fried. From time to time, give it a stir so they can fry nicely without getting burnt. And once they are well fried, I will remove them from the hot oil, transfer them to a strainer to take out any excess oil from the chicken. In a pot, I will add some of the oil I use in frying the chicken. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onions. Stir and leave the onions to fry for about 2 minutes. Add curry powder, thyme, and stir. Frying the spices helps to bring out more of the flavor from them. Add the blended pepper mix and stir. Cover and leave the stew to cook down. The stew is been cooking now for some time. I'll stir, and at this point the stew is nicely fried. I'll add seasoned powder, salt, and the fried chicken. Give it a nice stir. Add the cabbage to the stew and stir. Taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. I'll add a little bit of the stock from cooking the chicken and stir. I'll be leaving the cabbage to cook in the stew for about 2 minutes. It's vegetables, we don't want to overcook it. I'll finish it up with sliced onions, spring onions, and stir. At this point, this cabbage stew looks amazing. It smells amazing. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. And the cabbage stew is ready, and I will turn off the stove and serve. I'll be having it with yellow rice, which was prepared with turmeric. Add the cabbage stew. And I'll eat. This cabbage stew was very, very delicious. Are you going to be giving this recipe a try? Leave your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.